What's up, everyone? Just Jason here. Just wanted to do this quick video, sort of as a wrap up to 2025. This video is coming out on New Year's Eve. I hope everyone's had a happy and safe holiday so far. I know I've been out there in the YouTube streets a lot in the last couple of months, and everyone's looking forward to 2026, and I hope you are as well. Like I said, I just wanted to jump on here and do a quick video, sort of wrapping up 2025 and looking forward to what's to come in the next year. So the past year, YouTube-wise, we've done pretty good over here on this channel. We've gained a lot of friends and followers over the last few months, and I really appreciate everyone that has chosen to come follow along in this journey, whatever that brings, kind of thing. We just wrapped up Vlogmas for this year with the puzzle video series, and we're going to get back into the recipe videos right away in the new year. And I've got some other little interesting things I want to start doing on the channel, but we'll have more on that later. As many of you know, January is the international or national or world carnivore month. A lot of people use January as a time to sort of reset their goals and their focus on their health and diet and lifestyle kind of thing. So whether you're actually going to try carnivore for the month of January, or just try and refocus your proper human diet in a way that helps you maintain your goals, and that there's people that are even going to go as far as to go to something like a lion diet, which is really focused on protein, basically just eating ruminant meats for the month. And again, this is typically just a way to reset things for yourself, get back on track, refocus, and set yourself up for a good rest of the year kind of thing. Personally, I don't usually make big wholesale changes like that in my life, but I am looking forward to, let's say, refocusing my attention on my lifestyle and making sure that I'm doing things the right way. I feel great these days. I'm happy with the way things are going, but I want to refocus, especially on bringing more help to every one of you out there with this channel. That being said, like I say, we're going to do quite a bit more recipe videos, and we'll maybe do some more interesting live streams that aren't just me talking to the camera every week. We'll try and do some more interviews, maybe do some actual activity live streams, and then we may even do some live streams while I'm working out or walking on the treadmill. Just things like that, just to make it a little more interesting, so that you're not get bored of me watching me talk to the camera for an hour every week kind of thing. So really, like I said, I wanted to come on here and thank everyone for supporting this channel. It's because of you that I keep doing this, and the stories that I hear from people saying that what I do has helped with their journey. That's what makes this all worthwhile to me and to this community kind of thing. To my fellow creators out there, I think everyone's doing a great job this year, and I can't wait to see what everyone comes up with for 2026. I know everyone's got lots of great ideas coming, and I'm definitely looking forward to what happens there. So yeah, that's really about it for this video. Again, I wanted to wrap up 2025 and then look forward to 2026. If you all have any suggestions of things you'd like me to see me try in 2026, make sure you leave a comment down in the comments down below. I am always open to suggestions for recipes or different kinds of live streams, that kind of thing. I do have an email you can reach me at, justjasonketo@gmail.com. Anytime you have any questions or suggestions, just feel free to email me. I'm always open to that. And if you have questions about what I do and, about the recipes, obviously send me an email. No worries there at all. So that's about it for this video. I am really looking forward to this next year to come. I hope you all have a safe and happy New Year's. And I would also like to hear what your goals are for the next year. So let me know in the comments about that down below. And if you want to see what's going to come up next year, make sure to subscribe, turn on those notifications, and we'll see you when we start getting back into the recipes in the next couple of weeks and see what other kind of fun things we can come up with. So that's it for today. I will see all you great people starting in 2026. Keep on thriving, my friends.